Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be discussing two concepts: the mathematics as a language of nature and technological world. First, let's start with mathematics as a language of nature. Mathematics provides a precise and powerful language for describing the physical world. The laws of physics, for example, are mathematical in nature and describe the behavior of objects and systems in terms of mathematical equation. The motion of planets, the behavior of electrical circuit, and the properties of materials are all described using mathematical models that are based on empirical evidence and tested through experimentation. Mathematics is also used to describe the patterns and structures that appear in nature. These patterns are not only aesthetically pleasing but also provide insights into the underlying mechanisms that govern the natural world. Examples of mathematics and nature. First, the geometric shapes. Many natural objects have clear geometric shape and forms, such as the conical shape of a volcano or the spherical shape of a planet. Another example are the sun, moon, seashells, and galaxies. Another example of mathematics in nature is the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. We all know that Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of two preceding terms, starting from 0 and 1, that is closely related to golden ratio. Flowers and petals are the common example because it follows the Fibonacci sequence, such as 3, 5, 8, 13, or 21 petals that a flower has. The third one is fractals. Fractals are geometric shapes that display self-similarity at different scales, meaning they appear the same as at various levels of magnification. Examples are coastlines, snowflakes, and river networks. They exhibit fractal patterns where they have the same or similar patterns repeated at different scales. The fourth one is the symmetry. Symmetry, it is the quality of being unchanged when transformed, such as by rotating, reflection, or scaling. Examples of symmetry are from crystals, animal bodies. It displays symmetry because even if you transformed it, even by rotating, it will remain unchanged. Why mathematics is considered as a language? It has four reasons why mathematics is considered as a language. The first one is quantification. Mathematics allows for the precise measurement and quantification of natural phenomena in a way that natural languages cannot. Mathematics provides a powerful tool for describing and analyzing natural phenomena with precision and accuracy. Unlike natural languages, which can be subjective and imprecise, mathematics offers a universal language that can quantify and measure natural phenomena with exactness. Second is universality. Mathematical laws and formulas apply consistently across different physical systems, making them a universal tool for description. Mathematics provides a universal framework for describing and analyzing natural phenomena. Mathematical concepts and laws apply everywhere in the universe, regardless of location, time, or culture. Third is predictive power. By understanding the mathematical relationships in nature, scientists can create models that accurately predict future events, such as planetary orbits or the outcome of chemical reactions. The fourth one is structure and logic. Mathematics provides a logical and unambiguous system for describing how things work, forming a rigorous system for scientific inquiry. Mathematics helps scientists describe complex things in a clear and precise way. It provides a logical system for understanding how things work, making it a powerful tool for scientific inquiry. Technological world. Technological world is the environment or society we live in today, where digital tools, machines, and innovations play a central role in how people live, work, and connection. Examples are the automation and AI. It is the machine and artificial intelligence help perform tasks faster and more accurately. For example of AI are the CC, the Meta AI, or the Chat GPT. The digital communication. Tools like internet, social media, and smartphones connect people globally. Social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and so many more. It helps people connect or communicate to their loved ones who is far away from them. Information access. Knowledge is instantly available through search engines like Google. Using Google, we can easily access information we want to know and also in other e-learning and online resources. Innovation and research. Continuous advancement in science, medicine, and engineering. Through the advancement of technology, we can invent or innovate things. We can enhance patient care and accessibility to medicine. Smart devices, everyday objects like phones, watches, and homes are now integrated with smart technology. Impact of technology. The positive impact of technology is that it makes life more convenient, boosts productivity, improved healthcare, and education. The negative impact of technology is that it can lead to privacy issues, job displacement, and overdependence on devices. Example is the using of AI assistants, robotic surgery, online banking, or self-driving cars are all part of the technological world.